Welcome back to the French Kiss Cook. Today we're going to make a delicious ham and asparagus quiche. We're going to start with the pie shell. You can use a pre-made pie shell. I have rolled out my own 9-inch pie shell here. We're going to blind bake it at 400 degrees. Line the pie dough with a foil, gently pressing the foil against the side of the dough. And I'm going to fill it with mung beans. And then we're going to blind bake our pie shell in the preheated oven for 15 minutes. Meanwhile, we're going to prepare our filling for the quiche. In a bowl, I'm going to crack 6 eggs, and to the eggs, I'm going to add 3/4 cups of milk and a tablespoon of oregano, a little bit of salt and pepper, and then stir everything together with a whisk or with a fork. Once my egg mixture is ready, I'm going to make sure that I have all the other ingredients that I'll need for the quiche. So I have some grated cheese. Here I'm using some grated mozzarella. And I've got my chopped red onion and my chopped ham. And for the asparagus, I'm going to chop off the first 2 inches from the top and reserve them for decoration. And the rest of the asparagus, I'm going to chop finely. I'm going to saute my veggies for a couple of minutes with a little bit of olive oil. And then I'll add my asparagus and the onions. Stir everything around and then we'll cook until the onions are translucent. While the veggies are cooking, I'm going to remove the foil with the beans from my pie shell. And then I'm going to return the pie shell to the oven for another 5 minutes to crisp up the bottom of the pie shell. Then I'll remove the asparagus and onion mixture from the stove and add in the ham. Mix everything well together. And then once our pie shell is ready, we can start assembling the quiche. We're going to start with the ham, the asparagus, and the onions. And then we're going to sprinkle on our cheese. And before pouring in the egg mixture, we're going to transfer it to a baking tray just in case it spills over in the oven. And then gently pour over the egg mixture. I'm going to place the top ends of the asparagus that I saved on top, make a really nice cute motif, and then bake the quiche for 40 to 45 minutes or until set. This quiche is perfect to serve for breakfast, lunch, brunch, and even supper. Find the full recipe at FrenchKissCook.com. Thanks for watching! Click on the icon to subscribe to our channel and on the video for more recipes.